Sometimes when you're trying to germinate your peppers and your chilies, they can take forever. Sometimes to a point where you think they're not going to germinate at all. On average, up to a month. But I've got a thing that I do every year, and it guarantees that your pepper seeds will germinate in about 7 days, which is a massive help because, as you know, peppers need a really long growing season. So the sooner they're up, the better. And I've got a video that I made way back at the beginning of the year. So just for all the people that's joined who might not have seen that video, I'll run it again so that in a couple of months' time, when you start thinking about germinating peppers ready for new season, you'll know quickest and most reliable way to do it. Let's take a look. So there you go, really simple way to guarantee you getting those pepper seeds germinated in the fastest time possible. I've used that method time and time again and it's never failed. So if you're going to start your peppers in January or February, there'll be little seedlings growing away in no time. And that's going to give you a jump on growing season to get your bigger plants faster, which equals a bigger harvest. Thanks for watching.